Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with AFSisterwig once again. So let's get into the package. First in the package, I saw this little clip, and then I have this wig. Oh, this is so gorgeous. We're gonna get into that. I got a pair of wig caps, edge brush and comb, some pins, and that's it. So this is the wig that we're working with today. It's a loose wavy texture. It feels so good, so soft and silky. The waves do feel tight. I love that. All right, so what I need you guys to know is that the wig that we're working with today is really special. Why is that? It's their knot-free wig. All right, and why they call it the knot-free wig, it's a new and improved kind of construction that they did for this lace front. Now, first of all, this is a 13x6 lace front wig, and yes, you can see that it's bleached, but it doesn't need as much bleaching as the regular wig. Reason being is because, you know, this is a wig they express that they're still working on, so over time it will be even more upgraded, which is crazy to me because it's already so nicely done. They only hand tied 1 to 2 strands of hair in a lace hole to ensure that the knots were really small. Hence, that's the reason why they call it a knot-free wig, because it's really hard to tell. It's really hard to detect the knots on this wig. All right, the regular wig, there would be more hair strands in a hole, making it more visible. The time it takes to construct the knot-free lace front wig is equivalent to them making 2 to 3 regular wigs, right? So yeah, that's crazy. So you know that if you get a wig like this, it's something exclusive. It is definitely worth it. I love the construction of this. They pre-plucked it as usual. It looks really good, like really good. Like you can't tell, like it's very undetectable. So that is basically what a knot-free lace front wig is. I'm excited that I could bring this to you guys today. You guys know I love bringing you different kind of wigs and giving you variety. As it relates to the length, and density of this wig, I'm going to be sure to put it in my description box. There's an adjustable strap inside, right, which is added for security. There are a total of 4 combs, you know, 3 in the front and 1 in the back. I always love having a comb in the back. It makes the wig cap very secure on your head, as well as adjustable straps. So that's how the inside looks. I think it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and get into this installation. So this is how it looks once I slip it on. It looks pretty good on my hairline. Very realistic, super realistic. I'm just gonna go ahead and measure up the hairline. I'm actually gonna use spray very lightly to apply the wig today.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is.
So I'm just allowing the edge to really melt down with my elastic band. What I'm gonna get is my wax stick to just, you know, lay the hair away from my face. But I mean, installation was super quick, very easy. As you guys saw, as I told you, I use my spray to install today's wig. AFSisterwig is one of those company that tries to be like as innovative as possible, and I respect that. Like they're always striving to like find comfort for their customers, and that is commendable. I really love that. Okay, I don't need to go all the way with that because I mean it's wavy hair and I do want the volume. I'm not gonna do any baby hair, but yeah, the pullback vibe is definitely working. These are the type of laces you wear when you're like getting married, or you know, for that occasion that you know you're going to take some pictures and you just want to look timeless. When you look back on that picture, you know, 15 years from the time when you take it, you'll be like, wow, this looks refreshing. This is that kind of wig that you wear for occasions like that. You don't necessarily want to have to do too much with the edges. You just want it to look as natural as possible. The hair itself, oh my gosh, I love the volume. Let me zoom out a bit. No baby hairs needed whatsoever. Shout out to AFSisterwig for just always coming with something refreshing and very believable with their wigs, you know. The volume of the wig is really nice. I'm getting a little shedding from it, you know, I am. So that's what I've gotten from it so far. I hope you guys can see. Just to let you know, it's minimal shedding. I'm just rubbing my hands. It really feels so good. So this is the hair in its dry state. Okay, this is it in its dry state. It looks good, feels good, it's lightweight, but then so full. You're not seeing through this, you know. That's beautiful. Love that. And as I said, I'm going to put the specific length and density of this wig in my description box, so please check that out to see. But you guys know, once I'm working with curly textures or wavy textures, I always just feel like I need to show you guys in its how it looks once I you know spritz it with some water. So of course that's what I'm gonna get into, so you guys can see it, how it looks when it is dampened. So I'm not gonna get it like super wet, but just to show you guys how it looks if I want to define the waves just a little bit more. So let me do that. I love a good loose wave hair texture. Looks so good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Really quick and easy install. Very natural looking. I think the knot-free lace front wig is a go. Alright, so if you guys are interested in something like this, if you're getting married, a graduation coming up, birthday, you know, any special occasion, if you feel like you're gonna get engaged, you know, yeah, go ahead, get yourself something like this. I highly recommend. That's it. That is it for today's wig look. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to AFSisterwig once more. The direct link will be listed down below. All the specifications. Guys, a lot of deals are going on right now, so you can feel free to go ahead, check out my description box as well to see what discount codes are there, if there's any sale going on, anything like that. Feel free to go ahead, check it out. That's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to go ahead, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video, share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for yourself.